Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. In this video, I am going to share a simple and sweet recipe to get more flowers on our hibiscus plants. In case your hibiscus plants are not growing well or blooming well, then you can try this special recipe. And trust me, your hibiscus plants would definitely bloom more. I am also going to give you solution for hibiscus dieback disease. Sometimes it happens, especially during the monsoon. Alright, let's get started. Here I have bought a new plant and I am going to apply this recipe on this plant. Please note you can apply the same on any plants which you are growing. At first I would repot my plant. For the pot, selecting one 10-inch wider and 10-inch deeper pot, which is sufficient for a plant like this. For the potting soil mix, I am taking 50% normal garden soil, 25% vermicompost and 25% coco peat. Let's repot the plant quickly and then I am going to add two important components. Here are the components. First one is potash. I bought it from local store but you can also buy it online. Dose is 5 grams which is 1 teaspoon. In case you are using bigger pot like 12 to 14 inches, you can apply 10 grams at once. Second component is single super phosphate. I bought this from Amazon. Dose is 5 grams. You would need to apply 2 more components to get good result and very soon I would share them. This is after repotting. One bud also got dropped. This is normal and it may happen while repotting, though it really hurts. Next, I would keep the pot under indirect sunlight for next 2 to 3 days and then I would provide minimum 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight. Let's take a look at the important updates. Plant is growing very fast as you can see. Today I am going to do one more important thing and it is pinching. The plant is getting bit leggy and I want to make it much fuller. If you feel bad about pinching, it's okay. You don't have to do it. You can also avoid pinching in case your plant is older one, not a new like me. While pinching, just cut half inch above a node in a 45-degree angle and make sure you don't remove more than 1/3 of the branch. This is the prune tip. As you can see, lots of buds gone. If you like, you can easily grow a new plant from this prune part and I already have video about growing hibiscus from cuttings, including the softwood cuttings like this one. It's time to fertilize our plants. Please note we can fertilize once in 20 to 25 days and it's more than enough. Before fertilizing, removing the surrounding soil. Using same components. First one is 5 grams single super phosphate. Second one is 5 grams potash. One extra component and it is half teaspoon of micronutrient fertilizer. Covering all the components with the same soil. After that, watering well. We would need to apply one more component and it is potassium nitrate. It can be applied once in 15 to 20 days and dose is 5 grams in 1 liter water. After that, spray everywhere. Please note, if it rains just after spraying, we can spray again within 24 hours. Spray it well and avoid spraying during the daytime. Do it either early morning or during the sunset. I also don't throw the spent blooms. Instead, just keep them on the topsoil. This is the result after 72 days, and we can see that my plant is blooming quite well considering it's a small plant. We can expect more flowers something like this if our plant is older one or a bigger one. I would target for more flowers in the next year. Let's see how to fix the hibiscus dieback disease. But before that, if you are happy with the result, please pause the video quickly and write yes in the comment box. Many thanks for your feedback. Hibiscus dieback disease. In monsoon, this may happen sometimes. The stem starts to die from the top growing part. To protect the stem from dying completely, we need to cut the damaged part. Cut until and unless the inner core of the stem is not clean and white. After that, apply fungicide. I am using biofungicide which I bought from Amazon. I love hibiscus a lot and I always try my best to get more flowers. The recipe what I shared here includes the uses of chemical products. In case you want to use 100% organic products, please check out the next video. That recipe also works very well. Hope you found this video useful, and if you did, I would truly appreciate if you give it a like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you are new to gardening upbeat. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and enjoy.